एडिट చేసుకోండి चलो मुंगट मुंगट वो ब्रदर आपका निरीक्षण के लिए
Minister will now unfurl the national flag.
Raष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट सलामी
రాష్ట్రగీతం
హార్ట్లీ వెల్కమ్ సార్. అదేవిధంగా జగిత్యాల జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ బి సత్యప్రసాద్ ఐఏఎస్ గారిని వేదిక మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా ఆహ్వానం పలుకుతున్నాం. జగిత్యాల జిల్లా సూపరింటెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ పోలీస్ గారైన శ్రీ అశోక్ కుమార్ ఐఏఎస్గా తెలియజేస్తున్నాం. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర అవతరణ దినోత్సవ వేడుకలను ఐడిఓసి వేదికగా నిర్వహించుకుంటున్న ఈ సందర్భంగా విచ్చేసిన గౌరవ మంత్రివర్యులు మొహమ్మద్ అజరుద్దీన్ గారికి జగిత్యాల జిల్లా పక్షాన ఐడిఓసి పక్షాన స్వాగత సుమాన్యులు తెలియజేస్తున్నారు.
Hearty greetings to the people of Jatiala district, public representatives, officials, journalists and students who have gathered to celebrate Telangana State Convention Day on June 2nd. On this auspicious occasion, I extend my warmest wishes to the people of Jatiala district as they celebrate this momentous day with grandeur. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Anumala Revanth Reddy, our government is moving forward with the Telangana Rising 2047 vision to position Telangana at the forefront of India and the world. Our resolve is to make Telangana a game changer in transforming India by 2047. The Telangana Rising 2047 vision document embodies the commitment inspired by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's ideals of ensuring social, economic and political justice for every citizen. We are governing the state with people-centric policies to achieve planned development and encourage public participation. We have identified the state into three global themes: pure and red. 99-day People's Governance Progress Plan, with the aim of bringing the welfare schemes and development programs of the people's government closer to the people. The 99-day People's Government Progress Plan has been successfully implemented in Jatiala district from March 6, 2026 to June 2, 2026. The plan focuses on 10 key points with effect from village to district. First, to Bhrata, pending fight clearance, road safety, arrived, Samksevam Pilla Bhadrata, no to drugs, right to Samksevam, విద్యా యువత క్రీడలు మహిళా సంక్షేమం పర్యావరణం The Indira Gandhi Mahila Shakti Program is commendable initiative aimed at empowering women with ₹1 lakh crore industry loans. The goal is to create 1 crore women crorepati, కోటి మంది మహిళలను కోటీశ్వరులు చేయడానికి లక్ష్యం in 5 years. In the district, 783.70 crore loans have been disbursed and 793.72 crore interest paid for 2025-26. Srinidhi has given 80 crore loans this year, further boosting women's economic independence. Women's groups are set to operate RTC buses, a petrol pump in Kurutla and a solar power plant in Sarangapur are planned focusing diverse opportunities. During the Yasangi season 2025-26, paddy worth 292 crore procured from 15,302 farmers during. Additionally, plans are made to stitch 118,448 uniforms supporting local industries. Strengthening women's collective efforts at district headquarters, ₹500 crore fund sanctioned for construction of Jilla Samakya Bhavanam. These initiatives reflect the government's focus on women's empowerment and rural development, aiming for holistic growth and self-reliance. The program is expected to bring positive changes, enhancing women's role in society and economy. Overall, it's a multifaceted approach towards achieving gender equality and prosperity.